there, Miss Dillmount.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Right on the old button, Miss Dillmount. That's swell. Just swell. Punctuality. The pride of princes.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Beautiful.
How's that?
Your beautiful baseball trophy. I love baseball.
Golf. I won it for golf.
I love golf, too.
Swell game. Play much?
Oh, well, no.
Golf's my hobby. Insurance, my business.
You come highly recommended, Miss Dillmount. Bolt the door, take off your things. Let's have a sample. Take a letter to,
To Mr. Harold Hodgson.
You'll find his letter in the file for the address and an invoice in the outer desk. Dear Mr. Hodgson.
The shipment of floor wax we received from you yesterday was rancid.
Baby face, you've got the cutest little baby face. There is no other one could take your place, baby face.
Hallelujah.
You sure have started something, baby face. I'm up in heaven when I'm in your fond embrace. I didn't need a shove, 'cause I just fell in love with your pretty baby. You've got the cutest little. There's not another one could take your place, baby face.
Got the cutest little.
Hallelujah. I'm up in heaven when I'm hallelujah. In your fond embrace. Didn't need a shove, 'cause I fell in love with your pretty. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Baby face.
Swell. Just swell. Congratulations, Miss Dillmount. You've made the team.
Oh!